What's up, peeps, and welcome back to my channel. I totally forgot to record an intro, so here I am peering over my camera. So here's a brief rundown of what's been going on this week. I made some soap and sold it on my shop. I started a new journal for my allotment. I started planting some seeds, and even a few of them even popped up. I bought some new seeds for the allotment and some beautiful flowers, and we did pop into the allotment a couple of times, and then we were faced with this. So apparently it was so windy that a couple of the guys brought our greenhouse back to us in this state and put a pallet on to keep it here. Too many questions. Also, we've been pigging out a lot all week. Welcome to the vlog. In 2022, I decided I needed to get serious about my life. Join me for weekly vlogs every Sunday on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Like videos to motivate me to keep going through this chaotic but amazing journey to a happier life. So here we are in Primark. I thought I would vlog our little shopping trip with you, just so you see what's new in the shops. Cute little bits in there, all ready for spring, so enjoy. Fall. This is the contrast, jumpers next to the most summeriest bit. And lucky for those people who don't need to wear bras. Blue and pink mixed together, it makes it look nice, doesn't it? Oh, I've spotted something I like. What is that? Oh my god, how cute. I like this, I'm going to hold on to that. That's cute. This is it, you come in here and you don't want to spend money, but that's what happens. Purchase number 1. I might have to try one of these on. Sweaters and hoodies. Trousers. Something really spooky happened on the next part of my video. Oh my god!
I really hate it.
They're nice. What do you hate? Oh, I really don't know what happened here. This video is playing on normal speed, but it's in slow motion for some scary reason. So I have sped it up to 16 times and it looks like a normal speed. I get overly ecstatic when I find something that I've been hoping to see in the shops. Coat's too big, but your shackets are too thin. This is what we need. That is so nice and safe. I mean, I like this, but how many different things will you wear that with? Maybe the fleecy one. I don't really like the shade of the cream on this one. This was the top I liked last time. This is nice, look at that. I could actually probably get away with this one though. When I was a kid and family used to bring clothes, they always used to bring stuff like this.
I wish today to find the most ripped jeans ever. I miss them so much.
To the point they're shorts.
Yes.
This is what I need. So, because I put on weight, I need stuff like this to disguise the belly. Have a nice baggy pair of jeans over it. I might end up having to get a big pair of jeans.
My jeans, the ones I haven't worn, ones are big red.
These,
I don't like them.
I love it. This one's it's got a different style to it. It's quite stretchy, I think. Ooh. Now, this will help I think I'm going to get one. Yes, that's what I need right now to cover this belly of mine. Listen, I'm transitioning into late 40s clothes now. I like this. Feels a bit cheap though. It's alright. I mean, Rutch stuff is old but new. And we've got this disgusting A-line dress situation happening. Please! Quite like these teacher skirts. I'm going for the classier look these days. I say, and then I spot some grey shorts that would be perfect for my casual style. I like those. Oh, shirt dresses. White shirt dresses, but they're too see-through. What's here? Obviously, we won't be needing a beach dress either. Cry, 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 cry. This one's quite nice. Might have to try that on. Winter to summer transition jackets where our spring isn't that warm.
You know, I hate getting jeans.
I like this. That's really cute. It's £10. It's got loads of little compartments. That's a fashion crime here. No! Take them chains off right now. Give me them back. And these have always been a mistake. I don't know why they still make them. They're nice. Yeah. Oh, the flat ones. Oh my god. They're quite nice. Ooh, sparkly ones. I like these pink ones. These are nice. I like these. Again though, the backs. If you step on them, you're finished. I love all the colours. We're gonna need these when the weather gets a bit better, but not good enough to not wear a jacket. This is quite nice, interesting. Are they real? That's the question. Yes, they're real. These are quite cute. Got the rest of their jumpers here, what's left of it. Some dresses.
This could be cute when it's on your body.
Yeah, I agree. I like that yellow jumper up there, look at that. I like you.
There's one here.
Oh, there's one here. How much are you? £12. That's not bad. I like that. They've got it in white. I was feeling brave. Yellow, yes. And then I saw white. I love all this. And that's it for the video, guys. We both got sore feet, so we are going straight home to chill out for the rest of the night. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace out.